How's the perfume that I sprayed on you, Nathan?
Oh, God. I feel terrible.
I swear, I sprayed like 12 different types of perfume on him. He smells like, I don't know. Smells like a chicken smell from here. Ashley was helping me. Hey, Ashley, I'm hi. Yeah.
I am not here right now.
Smells like we just walked into the bay.
Yeah. He's wearing cotton candy. He's wearing some kind of organic one. He's wearing Hawaiian stuff. He's wearing some raspberry.
Yeah, when we go to Vancouver, we're going to say how it smells.
And he's wearing some apple stuff. You smell good, right?
Sometimes I hate coming in this room. It's just like a death trap.
Oh, thank you, Nathan.
Man up, Nathan.
Yeah.
Man up. I'm not gonna...
I painted his toenails too.
She forced them on me.
Let me see. Nathan, you're messing up my carpet. Stop.
Oh,
Stop it. We're illegal as it is. Never mind drawing it.
We're all squeezed into the car. This is a 5-person car and there's 7 of us in here. Can't even move. 1, 2. Look at my mom and my grandma. I can't even see my grandma. I am taking pictures. Feel like we're in New York. We're in New York. Yeah, there's buses everywhere. So busy. We're stopped at IGA because my mom had to go in the store. There she is. Hi. There's so many bums everywhere around here.
We did move down to a small White House by the Pacific Inn.
Blah 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 blah. Whoa.
What?
He blobs so much. He goes up blah 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 blah. Yeah.
No, I think that's just you.
No. It's him.
No.
But there's bums everywhere. Like every corner there's a bum. Look, I'll show you one.
I have a kitty.
Corny looks so cute sitting there. I'm scorking back Nathan's M&Ms while he's gone. Don't tell. Oh, you want some, Courtney? Sun's setting over there. It's pretty.
I can make those.
You can? How?
Well, I don't think I can make the pudding, but I can make the peanut butter stuff.
Cool.
Well, I guess I can make the pudding, but maybe chocolate, not sugar.
It's so insanely busy here, though. Hey, Mom.
What?
It's busy.
It's very busy.
Want some? Candy.
Yeah?
Can I have some?
I don't trust you anymore.
Just go ahead.
What is it?
Just open it. Nathan, just open it, figure it out.
I'm just gonna open it away from me.
Just open it.
What?
Just open it.
What is it, Ashley?
Just open it.
No, not. Now can I open it?
Nathan, open it like this.
Okay.
Here, it's a present for you.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Really?
What is it? Do you know what it is? Let go.
Wow, Danny. You brought those with you here.
Yeah, why? What?
Walk to rings here.
Don't touch it, Nathan. Why can't I bring them?
Why'd you bring your M&M's here?
Yeah.
Yeah, why'd you bring your M&Ms?
And your big sucker.
Yeah, and your big sucker.
Hey, it's a jawbreaker.
And that blanket for China.
Because I want to be comfortable, I'm thirsty. A good snack doesn't hurt, and my sunglasses...
Well, then would you like me to explain what that is for?
I believe I know what it's for.
Well, you asked her why would she bring that here?
Well, yeah, why would you bring those here? Well, why would you bring those here? Like, what's the point?
Oh,
Oh, geez, do I have to give you the chalk now?
Oh, God. No, I know what they're used for.
You do?
Protection.
Protection from what?
STDs and whatnot.
Oh my God! You know, he says they're protection from STDs.
What? Pokemon, come on. She asked me what those are, so I told her.
Do you know what they are?
Condoms.
No!
Yeah, they are.
These are condoms.
you don't have to worry about that because she won't be needing that.
Oh, trust me, I know she won't be needing them.
Yeah, guarantee she won't be needing it. Because if she does,
Contract signed it.
I'll be needing a shovel to bury you.
We're still sitting here waiting. I jacked my sister's chair. She was going to the bathroom. Is the camera on me, Nathan?
Yeah, it is. It's on.
Ashley,
Here, how about I film?
she's just relaxing. No.
You don't want me to film?
Hi, I'm Danny's mom. Watch this.
Oh my. Hang on.
I am such a loser.
Duh.
Okay, what's that?
Some of it. Fireworks are over, but look at all these people in front of us. 700,000 people. When we first got out, there was no joke. We were all holding
Unless
hands
you're, like,
trying
right
to
here.
get out. There was no room. Strollers going over here. People, a camera hit my grandma in the head. It was so ridiculous. Two old people down there. Oh yeah. We're standing in line waiting.
I think it's like 10.
We've been waiting for like 45 minutes. We're all the way over there, and we had to walk all the way around, all the way back, all the way here, and there's like 1,000 people. And so many people are trying to, and everyone gets so mad when someone watches. I know.